Hi, this is One. As a new YouTuber, I purchased several equipment, including MacBook Pro 60 inches. Out of all the laptops in the market, I chose MacBook Pro 60 inches, not for its macOS, but specifically for its hardware. In its elegant design, Apple has managed to pack in hardware that can most efficiently utilize the 100 watts of power supplied through the USB-C. In contrast to MacBook's previous iterations, Apple has managed to improve its cooling design to keep the GPU and CPU under normal operating temperatures. With the revision of its cooling design, Apple has managed to fit in a powerful 8-core Core i9 processor as well as an entry-level gaming AMD card inside a 100-watt hood. But for some reason, it would throttle. This time, it wasn't because of thermal throttling, not GPU and CPU at least. The culprit was VRM, Voltage Regulator Module. This part of the logic board was being thermally constrained, and thus the system would not supply the CPU and GPU with enough power. As you can see in this video, while playing Destiny 2 on PC, both CPU and GPU were being throttled, and not because of thermals. Both chipsets were always below 80 degrees Celsius. Because of VRM's thermal problem, it would supply the GPU with widely varying amount of power, anywhere from 20 to 40 watts, making the game frame rates frantic and literally not playable. So, here I introduce you a mod to alleviate this problem. The solution is to apply thermal pads to the VRM section of the logic board to transfer the heat coming from the VRM to the backplate of the MacBook Pro. To start off, you need a P5 screwdriver and 1.5mm thick thermal pads. Here's what you need to do. Apply the thermal pads in stack of 3 and stack of 2 to parts where some modules pop out. The main objective is to apply thermal pads to the VRM section of the logic board so that it evenly touches the backplate when closed. Once done, cover up the backplate and you're done. Here are the results. Here is a game footage of PlayerUnknown Battleground. As you can see, the 5500M steadily consumes around 45 watts of power, allowing the chip to run around 1200 MHz clock speed. And here is a footage of the game running under eGPU configuration, specifically the 2070 Super. When running an eGPU, CPU performance is very important. As you can see, the CPU steadily consumes well above 45 watt and on average consumes around 50 to 55 watts. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped, and if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. This was One. Peace out.